Would you like to learn how to make a scrumptious condiment that you can use all year round and also pair with burgers, chicken, pork, or even vegan recipes? Then I have a recipe for you. Welcome friends, my name is Mira Johnson. I am a holistic life coach and wellness chef and also founder of Breaking Bread with Mira. Welcome to our kitchen, and today I'm going to show you step by step how to make a scrumptious condiment that you could pair with most of your recipes like burgers, steaks, chicken, and even your plant-based ones. And it only takes 2 ingredients and 3 seasonings and only a few steps. I'm confident you are going to enjoy this recipe, so stay tuned. 1 cup of diced tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of avocado oil to a hot pan. And just like that, you can make at home a delicious red onion and tomato jam that could serve to put over your burgers, steaks, even mix with your on top of your rice, or for tacos.